Okay, a common problem that can happen with wires, especially in the beginning of treatment when you've got light wires in, is sometimes the wire, if you're eating something, it can cause it to pull out of the very back tube. Now the tubes on the molars, this one and this one, are actually just little tubes. They don't have the open brackets that we need the colors to hold the wire in place. So if this happens, what you can do is, if you've got a clean pair of tweezers at home, then you can, especially with the really flexible wires, then you can use a clean pair of tweezers to kind of thread that wire back through the tube. So especially with the really light wires, it's something that should be pretty easy to do and shouldn't cause too much discomfort to your family member. So you'll just push it through that little hole there and kind of push it through. Don't be afraid, it's flexible. This is a little bit stiffer wire that I'm using here, but the one that you will have in place that you can do this with. And so then you'll see that it pops back through that little tube there. And then that'll take care of the problem for you. A lot of times what we do to prevent the wire from pulling out is we place a little bend in the back part of the wire. I don't know if you can see this little bend on the back part there. So what that does is, with these initial wires, these light wires, they do flex. They've got a lot of give to them, and the span between the braces with the back teeth is much bigger, and so and this is usually where you're biting on your food, a little bit heavier. So if you bite into something big enough or hard enough or chewy enough, it can cause the wire to flex, and that little bend in the back helps prevent the wire from pulling loose. Like you can see when I push here, that little bend will kind of catch things. But again, if you, especially with the really light wires, if you bite into something big enough or heavy enough, it will push on it enough that it will cause the wire to still pull out. And then these wires with the bends in them are a little bit trickier to get back in, but they are pretty flexible enough that you can again use the tweezers, and you just have to push a little bit harder to get them to come back through so that they're back through the tube there.